Then my head hit the wall. Boom. But I had a
Nothing beats a Jet 2 holiday. And right now, you can...
And they suck it.
I don't want to do that. I got this!
Stop.
They ain't having a lie. She don't know what she doing. This bitch is giving it out. What the hell, girl?
Kan? Jangan bilang. Tapi kita tempat aja yang tahu.
Come here. Come ready? Ready?
This is feeding time. Good catfish. Here is your food. Goodbye, catfish.
Now they're all watching the fucking movie. Look at this shit. What the fuck?
Hey, yo.
Anyone else ever just take their pet catfish out for a walk when it floods?